A very good morning to my dear student. Hope you are fine and doing well. So, last class, we have discussed about the productivity of land. Okay. So, in our today's class, we will be going through changes pattern of land use and destruction of ecosystem. How the ecosystem is destructed. Okay, ecosystem. So, let us continue with our ecosystem. So, what is ecosystem? Okay. See, ecosystem consists of plants, animals, and all other living organisms which exist within the nature. Okay, and which are habituated and they are living by adjusting the physical environment. By adjusting with the physical environment, all the living organisms they are surviving. Okay, but what is happening here? Because of irrelevant use of land. Irrelevant use of land means the pattern of land use. Slowly and gradually, the destruction of ecosystem is being causing. The ecosystem is hampered because of irrelevant use of land pattern or land use. Okay, it is again the because of human activities. Okay, the land use pattern is going on. The forest, yes, the forests are cleared. The forests are being cleared for agricultural, for settlement, means residential, for industries. Yes, the forests are cleared. The agriculture good, settlement, industries. Of course, the economy is developing, but what is happening? The environment, it is becoming empty, destroyed. The ecosystem is not becoming suitable for the survival. Okay, whatever forest life was there, slowly and gradually it is disappearing. The clean environment, the oxygen which you need, we are not getting enough. Okay, anyway, unhygiene. So many negative effects are there. So let us discuss what are the negative effects. So the people are having, we are suffering. Okay, let us see. Okay. Point number one says change in soil cover. Okay. So the natural soil which we are having on the top. Okay. When the forest is cleared for settlement, the natural soil which is on the top, it is changed. Okay, you can't see the natural soil, the crust of the earth, the same land which was earlier the forest one. You could not get the same land after the clearing of the forest because of the human activities. They convert the land in such a way. Okay, we could not recover. Okay, the earlier one. Okay, because of land use pattern. Okay, earlier you would see the forest, natural grassland would be there. The grasses would grow naturally. But now the grasses are purchased, the seeds are purchased. Okay, the seeds are purchased to lay the grasses. Artificial grasses are there. The natural grasses are not available. Why? Why? Because of the land use pattern, the changes in the land use pattern. Okay. Point number two, you say unsafe dwelling. Unsafe dwelling. Unsafe dwelling means the places, the residential places as well, the industrial places where they are staying, dwelling, where they are living, it is becoming unhygienic. It is becoming unsafe because too much crowded is there, as well as no proper suitable environment is available. When no proper suitable environment is available, then what is happening? The atmosphere is becoming unhygienic. So unhygienic places takes place. Okay, unsafe dwelling. The people are living, staying in unhygienic, unsafe area. Okay, because of changes pattern in land use. Okay, uh, okay, unsafe dwelling. It is because of human being. They are misusing the land. Okay, they are misusing the land. So soil erosion. So the removal of the top layer of the soil. Okay, the removal of the top layer of the soil. Okay, through the rainfall, through water. It's called as a soil erosion. Okay, when the top layer of the soil is removed, because the trees are not there, they will not hold the land. The roots of the trees they hold the part of the soil. So when the trees are removed, so what is happening? Okay, the soil available. Okay, no one is there to catch, no one is there to hold. So ultimately, what is happening? The soil is eroded. The soil is washed away from there when heavy rainfall is there, and this causes okay landslide. This causes landslide, mostly hilly area. The roads are blocked. Okay, this causes many death also, because in the hilly area, big boulders they fall down upon the car, upon the houses and all. Okay, this can causes flood. Okay, this causes flood. Because of flood, many people will die, many properties will be lost. So if okay, this causes soil erosion, misuse of the land when the forests are cleared. Okay, next you can see adverse effect on livestock. Livestock means the cattle, cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats and all. Earlier they were having lots of food. Okay, they can graze on the field. They would graze on the field. They would eat the grasses and all. Okay, were available earlier, but now after the destruction or the clearance of the forest, nothing is available. So what they will eat? So what is happening? The cattle are disappearing. The cattle earlier, most of the homes they were keeping the cattle, because everywhere the fodders were available, the food were available. But now they have to fight for the food and all, grasses and all. Very less of the people they are keeping the cattle and all, cows and all. So what is happening? The price of the milk and all, it is increasing day by day. The price of the cattle are increasing day by day, because they are also becoming limited in their nature. Okay, the foods which are available for them, the people are destroying. People are destroying their food, these grasses and all. How they are destroying? By cutting the forest and all. The forest is only not there, then from where they will get the grasses? The forests are cleared for industries. In the industry, they will not grow the grasses and all. And in residential also, they will not grow the grasses. So where the cattle will go? Ultimately, there is no place for them. So it is just adverse effect on the livestock. The cow, goat, buffaloes, sheep and all. Okay, they are hampered a lot, and they are in danger, if you say. Though you can see now, okay, many cows and all, but in the near future, most probably they will also disappear. Okay, this is the adverse effect of land use pattern. Okay, next, change in rainfall pattern. Earlier, the rainfall was coming according to the season. So whichever season, okay, the rainfall in the month of mostly June, July, you can see here, the rainfall would be there. But now the pattern of the rainfall also it is changing because of changes in the pattern of land use. Anytime the rainfall can come. There is no such season. Earlier, because of if they were falling in that season, they would come in that season only. But a particular season would be there, a particular month would be there. But now the particular month is not there anytime. Anytime there can be a rainfall. Now there can be sunshine. Other than there can be rainfall. In winter also you would not feel severe cold or so much cold. In winter also now most of the time people are feeling warm only. They're not feeling too much cold enough. Earlier winter means it would be a severe cold enough, but now not that much cold. So because of changing pattern in land use, this is happening. Next, increase in greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases is increasing day by day. The atmosphere, within the atmosphere, the greenhouse gases is increasing day by day. So when the greenhouse gas is increasing, what is happening? The ice caps, mostly the polar region are affected. The ice are melting day by day. The ice are melting day by day, thus changing the pattern of the season. It is because of the greenhouse gases, the pattern of the season are changing. A particular month is not there for particular season. The month and season, it is changing because of greenhouse gases. And moreover, the heat of the sun radiation, it is also increasing day by day. Thus falling many people sick, untimely fever is coming. Because of increase in the greenhouse gases. Next, spoilage of ecosystem. The ecosystem is being spoiled because of the destruction of forest. Establishment of industries, establishment of residentials. When industries are established, so all the forests are cleared. There is no trees and all. So the smoke is released in the atmosphere. So the trees are required to make the air fresh. But the trees are only not there. How the air will be fresh? So thus causing many problems. Thus it causes the spoilage in the ecosystem. The complete ecosystem is being spoiled. All the living organisms are hampered. The plants are hampered. The birds are hampered. The animals are hampered. Even the human beings, they suffer from many kind of newer diseases. All the climatic conditions are changed. Because of changes in the pattern of land use. This way, the ecosystem is destructed horribly. So if it is not checked, then in the near future, several kind of problems will arise. So just see on the board, what are the points so we have discussed. Just see on the board. First point says, change in soil cover. Change in soil cover. The topmost layer of the soil is changed. Unsafe dwelling, because of the misuse of the land, unhygienic condition is being prevailing. The people need to live in the unhygienic place. Soil erosion, the wash away of the soil. The wash away of the soil, because trees are not there to hold the soil. When the root of the trees, they are only taken out, then what is left? Nothing is left. So that's why the soil is eroded. And when the soil is eroded through the agent of water, then what is happening? The flood is there. This causes a severe flood. Adverse effect on the livestock. The population of the cattle are decreasing day by day because they don't have any food, more food to survive. Change in rainfall pattern. The frequent rainfall, the seasonal rainfall. The seasonal rainfall is not there. Unseasonal rainfall is prevailing. Unseasonal rainfall. Increase in greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases, the earth is becoming warm day by day. So thus increasing the greenhouse gases. So consequently, what is happening? The ice caps, the North Pole and the South Pole, the ice cover, they are melting. The Greenland, the Antarctic region and all, they are melting. the Greenland area side, the ice caps are melting. So ultimately, what is happening? Increasing the height of the water, thus covering the land area. The land area is divided, decreasing. Spoilage of ecosystem. Full ecosystem is being spoiled, or they are being spoiling. The animal life, the plant life, the human life, all are getting hampered because of changing the pattern of land use. Even everybody is facing a huge problem, and in the near future, of course, there will be a huge problem if presently if it is not checked. Okay, thank you for today's class. So this much for today.